Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off push notifications in the Pinterest app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then we tap on notifications. Then we tap on push notifications, and here we have a list of things that we might be notified by through push notifications. And here we can select which one of these we want to actually receive and which one of these we don't want to receive, or we can just turn off all of the notifications like this. And then afterwards afterwards enable push notifications, and then select what we want to leave and what we don't want to leave as a notification. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.